I've just been feeling so switched off, like this constant brain fog all day, stressed but with no real reason, you know? I know exactly what you mean. I used to live like that. It sounds like your cortisol levels are unregulated. Cortisol? Really? So what did you do? I started taking these, Goli Ashwagandha Gummies. They use KSM-66, which is the best version, and it helps regulate cortisol. Weeks, the brain fog was gone. I felt like myself again. It's zero sugar and delicious. If you want some, grab the link.
The secret to balance is not escape. It is science. It is Goli Ashwagandha.